Come join the team. We got an offer that you can't refuse.
Yeah, I'm a special kind of nigga with minds, you know? I grind, I get my paper, you know what I mean? I'm a bona fide hustler. Nigga, get out of line, I'll cut shit. Me, I'm about my paper, it's fuck, yeah. If you play games with mine, I come at you from behind with my 9. I'm a bona fide. They say heaven's for churchgoers and hell's for the heathen, so I'ma just ball the fuck out while I'm breathing. Eighth after eighth, what you know about that fast flip? Crack spot, smoky fiend sucking on that glass dick, man.
So where YouTube? It's your boy SRT Ja. You know, back with another video, man. Today, we finna go to the range, man. We finna shoot some shit up. Finna go with my boy Pat, man. This is his first time shooting at the range and shit, man. You know, we finna play with some, you know, some old toys, you know, some new toys, you know, some of my prized possessions, man. So get ready, man, and tune in, man. Just enjoy the vlog, man. Yeah, man, we here, man. We made it. At the range, we got the toys. This my new shit. Like, this my new prized possession, man. You feel me? Pat, you ready, man? Yeah, man. We here. Oh, bro, let's get it going, man. Bro. Pat busting that motherfucker, oh, bro. Yeah, there you go. Oh, bro. See, that was in jail. Don't hold it on top. And then you can cut yourself like that too. That's what I was telling him.
That's why it's not.
Yeah. That's what I was telling you. Just try again. Alright, go ahead. Give me, man. You got it, man.
$45?
Yeah. Now it's time to shoot this, man. You know, it's down now. Oh, bro. It's down to shoot that now. Oh, bro. Man, I'm putting up the shotgun. I couldn't handle that motherfucker, man. Like, I couldn't handle it. Yeah, too much, you know, capability to it. I wasn't accurate with it enough. Like, This all I know, man. This all I know right here. I just know handguns, you feel me? That's all I know, just handguns. What about you? What about you, Pat, man?
Man, I'm just good with the 45.
Alright, man. It's your turn again, man. You up next, man. Oh, yeah. Fucked him up, then we back. Yeah, that nigga fucked up. Yeah, man, that's it for us, man. We out. We had a long day at the range, man. We finna go back to enjoying ourselves, man, and having fun, man. But hit that like and subscribe button, man. SRT Ja out.